If you want to know how you can make real money by just live streaming, just stay tuned till the end of this video and I will show you how. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a mobile application that is going to get you some nice money while also allowing you to have some fun. The app is called Uplive and it's a streaming app pretty popular between streaming apps where people can chat or show off their talents and get rewarded with gifts in return. I have seen a lot of people singing on this app, playing instruments, or even dancing, so it's a pretty fun app to use, especially for people who possess art talents and even for those who just crave a nice chat. And now let's just go to my phone so I can show you guys how the inside of the app looks like and also give you a quick tutorial. Okay, so this is what you will see once you open the app. This is basically the main page, and these are all people that are currently live streaming. If you have certain preferences about your live streamers, you can just go to filter and pick the country you want to see people from. You can also pick the tags, and basically these tags help you to connect with people that have the same passions as you have, and also the gender. If you go to the right upper corner of the page, you can see the leaderboard, which is hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. And also, you can either choose to see the top live streamers globally, or you can just pick a country that's, I don't know, maybe your country or some country you're interested in. Next, we have the search bar where you can basically search up live streamers based on their nickname or ID. And then we have the message section where you can see all of your messages. Next up, we have the explore part of the app, which has party, discover, PK, nearby, family, and video. And basically, this is the part of the app where you can discover new streamers and make friends. The party section is all about group chats, whether there are vocal or video group chats. You can just simply join them and have some fun. Then if you go to the discover part, you can discover new streamers based on their countries. The PK part is all about people live streaming with other people, basically duetting other people and live streaming together. You can either choose to see video PK battles or audio PK battles. The nearby section is about people that live near the place you live in. You'll have to turn on your location to be able to use this feature. Then we have the family section where you can just simply see lots of families here. You can either join a family or you can create your own. I haven't done any of that. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, we'll see. And lastly, we have the video feature, which is basically a place where you can post videos and people can communicate with you through them. Next up, we got the streaming room. So what do we have here? We got the stream labels, which are basically some tags that you can use for people to find you according to their passions or likings. You can pick one tag or multiple, that depends on what your live stream is about. Then after this, we will have to name our live stream so we can attract viewers. So you need to pick up a really catchy name so that people want to come to your live stream. Always make sure that your live stream is set on HD instead of standard definition. This is really important. You can also turn on your location so people that are nearby you can find you easier. There is also a stream guide here that gives you some small tips about how you can make your live stream better. I already done mine, so I claimed it. It gives you a couple of gifts if you go through it. These are all of the platforms that you can share your live stream to. So we have Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, WhatsApp, WeChat, bunch of apps. Here is the beautify part of the live stream where you can add certain things to your face, or like whiten your teeth and stuff like that. You can either choose to do a video live, you can have a video party where people can join your live stream. And what's fun about this video party is that if the people who join you receive gifts, you can set your live stream in a way that a part of their gifts comes to you. So gift U coins received by guests, as you can see, host receives 0% and guest receives 100%. If I switch it to 25, they receive only 75% and I get 25% of their gifts, which is really cool. Okay, also on this video party, you can either choose to do it video or audio, so it's not just video. Or you could just choose to do an audio live, no camera. You can also pick a gift sharing here as well. The only one that doesn't work with the gift share is the video live. Okay, so now that we are done with the live stream section, we can just go to this little heart. And if you click on it, you will see that this section is actually divided into 3 other sections, which are followed, Plaza, and reward. Okay, so followed is a section where you can see all of your followers that are currently live streaming. Plaza is the place where you can see people post like videos or photos. You can either choose to see all of them, or you can go to the hot list, which is gonna show you the most popular people on the app. And you can also choose to filter them by gender and country. And lastly, the reward section is where you can purchase bundles. You have to complete missions to gain new beans, which are basically, the beans are what you receive when someone sends gifts to you, but you can also receive them if you send gifts to someone. So you have to complete missions to gain new beans each week to level up, and for each level, users can claim free rewards and purchase value bundles. As you can see, these are all the value bundles. And this is the last part of the app, which is basically your profile. Here you can find your wallet, you can find your messages, your backpack, which is a place where you store all of your in-app purchases or earned items, such as profile frames or backgrounds or gifts. So everything you purchase or earn through this app will be stored in your backpack. The mall is the place where you can purchase all of these. And after purchasing, as I said, they will be stored in your backpack. The reward is what I just showed you guys before, is the place where you can purchase bundles. The level is where you can see your level and also find some tips on how to level up faster. You also have to check in every day, and for every check-in you will receive a gift. The farm is a game, a really nice game that you can play if you want to, I don't know, chat with other users and relax a bit. And the badge is basically the place where you can see all of your badges. You can receive badges by completing different actions, such as gifting people or viewing streams for a certain amount of time. Having said all of that, this app is really nice. The users are very friendly and you can make a really nice income out of it. So I really recommend you guys to try it out, and if you do, please tell me in the comments. I really want to know how your experience with this app is gonna be like. Do you know, or are you using any other interesting streaming apps? If so, please leave the names in the comments down below and I will also check those out. And that's about it for today, guys. Hope this video was useful in some sort of way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in case you have any questions or video suggestions, you can just leave them in the comments down below. I'll check every single comment. And until next time, I hope you have an amazing day.